What's up, YouTube? Thomas back with another video. A little bit ago we got some samples in the mail for us to try out, and this was in there too. So we're going to open this up. It's a personal alarm. We're going to open this up and check it out. Alright, so I guess you just pull the pin. Check my hearing. Was that loud? I don't know. Yeah, it's loud. Alright, so we went we went over how loud it is, and you can just wear it on your purse and you can pull it. So in a tripwire scenario where you would want to set it up around your campsite or for intruders or whatnot, I was thinking about it, and if this end was on a tripwire, it would pull the pin and it would take the pin away and you might not be able to find it. So I have come up with an idea that would allow the pin to be pulled and then retain the pin with a rope. And what I've got here is a bread twist tie, and that should be strong enough to pull the pin, but not strong enough to break the cordage. So let's try it. Awesome, that worked perfectly. Check it out. It's eAlarm Plus, personal alarm and or tripwire alarm, sent to me by Tennessee Readiness. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.